Hi everyone, Gannon here with Automation Intellect. Today's mini demo series will be focusing on new or additional equipment for your facility and what you should do first before considering this option. Before adding a new asset to your manufacturing floor, consider how long will it take me to recoup the expense of this asset? Will adding this asset incur additional work or strain on my current staff? And how long will it take to build this piece of machinery? And finally, is this strictly a long-term solution by adding this asset? And if so, what can I do in the meantime? That is where Automation Intellect can help your team. In today's manufacturing environment, with the average OEE in the United States being 50% less than world class, maximizing capacity is a must as you grow your organization. And by using Automation Intellect's platform, manufacturers can improve their OEE, capacity, and profit within the industry. With the out-of-the-box dashboards, customizable report building tool, and real-time shop floor screens, Automation Intellect excels at identifying whether new equipment is right for your team. Before jumping towards an additional asset, focus on improving by measuring where your OEE is today, establishing OEE initiatives within your organization, drive improvement through cross-functional teams or the plan, do, check, act process, and finally, reevaluate based on the new capacity you have now created. Automation Intellect is helping clients globally to make their equipment world-class within their industry. If you'd like to learn more about how Automation Intellect can transform your business, reach out to us through automationintellect.com or LinkedIn. Thank you everyone for the opportunity, and I look forward to seeing everyone on next week's mini demo series as we dive into production line flexibility.